Welcome back to another Research Connection. Today I'm here with Dr. Kaori Sakamoto. She's our new department head in population health and pathobiology.
Thank you for having me, Sarian.
You are actually a graduate of the NC State College of Veterinary Medicine. How has research changed since you were a veterinary student, and especially within our college itself? How have you seen research grown being back?
Yeah, I'm proud to say that I'm a class of 1999 member. We affectionately call ourselves the last NCSU CVM class of the millennium on our Facebook group. But yeah, back in the 90s, right? I mean, email, internet, all that kind of stuff was pretty primitive. And since then, technology innovations have exploded, AI, digital stuff. And so I'm really proud that my department has embraced a lot of this new technology, working with it as opposed to kind of fighting it. And then also the other thing that's radically changed is, we have all learned from the pandemic that we are not just one country. Viruses, bacteria, whatever, infectious diseases don't respect boundaries, right? So it's so important that our vet school play a strong role in the Global One Health initiative. And so I'm proud to say that we have faculty who are very active in that space.
So part of being a department head is supporting your faculty in their different missions, whether that's research or clinics or teaching. You talked about how diverse your department is. How do you approach being that support to them in such a diverse department?
Yeah, that's actually a very tough question because I have about 8 different subgroups within my department, and they all have different interests and goals. And so what I can do as a department head is to work with them individually. Not everyone's going to be the best teacher or the best clinician or the best researcher. And so what I'm trying to do is to provide all the resources, get folks the help they need. I know the college itself has amazing educational resources in the academic affairs team. So just making sure, especially junior faculty, have access to all these resources is so critical.
Reflecting on your own career, what would you say is a great motivation or ways for students or junior faculty to get involved in research?
Well, the most important thing is to give it a try, right? So for students, I encourage them to do things like the Veterinary Summer Scholars Program, something that'll let them dabble in a project and see if it's something they enjoy. And then for junior faculty, I think finding out what society's problems are, like what are the things that are really impactful in veterinary medicine? How can we be of service to the community, right? If it's not solving a problem, it's going to be really hard to convince a funding agency why this should be funded. So that's what I generally recommend.